Welcome to our next video of English expressions. You will again see several images with the Kaboons indicating an expression in each. You'll then have a couple of seconds to guess the expression. After that, the answer will appear and I will discuss the meaning of the expression and also give some examples. Please remember that psychology tells you that there is no better way to learn expressions than by linking these expressions to typical pictures. Let's get started. Here is our first image. This image shows the expression, "There's no smoke without fire." This means that there is usually some truth behind a certain rumour, and therefore it can be seen as a bad sign. The expression is commonly used to describe a suspicious situation. Once more, we have two examples. The first one, every time he says that it happened by coincidence, but I personally think that there is no smoke without fire. Notice that there is apparently a suspicious situation here. Our second example. I know that Bob says that there isn't a single problem, but look what happened. But you know what they say, there is no smoke without fire. Again, this is a very old expression. We find it for the first time in a book from 1546. Our second expression is to beat around the bush. You can use this expression when someone avoids talking about a subject, especially with a difficult subject, or when someone doesn't get to the point. For example, "We've been here for half an hour now. Stop beating around the bush and say what you want to say." Or another example, Simon had to fire someone, and instead of just saying it directly, he beat around the bush. This made the whole conversation more awkward. It's time for our final expression. Take a look at the image and see if you can guess what the expression is. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. This means that you should not make plans based on something that hasn't happened yet. Here are two examples. Our first example. My friend is always planning her wedding, but her boyfriend hasn't proposed yet. I told her, don't count your chickens before they hatch. And our second example. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Otherwise, you will be very disappointed. That's the end of this series, and we'll always end with a few important remarks. First, don't forget to subscribe to our English Expressions series. Second, please leave comments. Maybe you have other good examples, or perhaps you know the equivalent expressions in, for instance, French or Spanish or maybe Chinese. And we love to hear how you teach expressions. All comments are welcome. And please inform your colleagues about this new series with Kaboons and use the link below to see what our shop offers. And of course, it is always a good idea to have a look at our web shop, kaboons.com, with the Kaboons t-shirts. If you're a Kaboon fan, you'd certainly like such a t-shirt. Finally, here's a new picture, and we will tell you what this expression means next time. Love you! See you next time.